you basically, you show up, you get ready, and you go outside. And with being, most kids are on Zoom every day, and we get the privilege to come here and go outside for 2 hours a day. It's pretty nice. My name is Dylan Valenti, and this is Conservation. Conservation is a class where everything outdoors, pretty much anything industry related to the outdoors, so heavy equipment, forestry, anything like that, it's to get your foot in the door so you know what you're doing when you get out there. So far we worked on tree identification, some heavy equipment, and right now we're currently in the middle of our vapor protection unit. I found myself enjoying the outdoors a lot. Didn't want to work in the office when I graduated, so figured I'd take this class and get me out there. I really like the program so far. Mr. LaSalle runs it very well. He knows what he's doing. That helps out a lot. This is more of a hands-on program where most classes you sit in the desk and answer questions all day, and you're just staring at a screen listening to someone lecture you. Here he teaches you how to run the machines, he hands you the keys, and it's basically your responsibility. So it's teaching you responsibility and how to maintain the machines and just be a good worker. And it's a good experience, so you know what you're doing when you leave and get out into the industry. If you'd like to know more about the program, check out the website or the CTE guide.